An arthroscopic rotator cuff repair procedure is a type of surgery performed to repair the rotator cuff, which is a group of muscles and tendons that allow shoulder movement. When the rotator cuff tears, it creates considerable pain on the patient and difficulties in movement. The purpose of this procedure is to reattach the injured tendon to the bone. You will be semi-seated during the operation. Depending on the nature and scope of the injury, you will receive regional and/or general anesthetic. Your surgeon will inject sterile fluid to expand the area around the joint and improve the view. The doctor will create small incisions, also known as arthroscopic portals, around your shoulder and insert a tool called an arthroscope. This tool comes integrated with a camera and fiber optic light system that projects images from inside the body onto a monitor. Your surgeon will pass sutures into the bone and tendon to reattach them. In order to do this, they will make a hole in the tuberosity of the bone and then utilize a suture anchor, a suture passer, and a suture retriever to connect the muscle and the bone together. This process will be repeated several times. Keep in mind that these internal stitches will not dissolve over time. They hold the tendon to the bone to allow it to heal back to the original location. When the procedure is completed, the doctor will close the incisions with either a couple of sutures or sterile adhesive tape and sterile skin glue. A rotator cuff arthroscopy usually takes around 1 to 2 hours. After that, you will wait for a few more hours in another room and then you can go home the same day. Wounds will heal after some days, but the joint itself will need approximately 6 to 12 weeks. You must listen carefully to your doctor's instructions, as they will vary from person to person. General guidelines will include rest, medication, typically to manage pain and/or swelling, protection, generally by a sling or immobilizer, no driving for at least 4 to 6 weeks. Exercise or physical therapy once the wound is healed will be necessary to regain strength and mobility. This may take up to 6 months total to regain full strength. Keep in mind that every recovery process will be different. Its duration and instructions vary depending not only on your injury, but also on your specific medical history, pre-existing conditions, regular activities, workload, etc. If you are weeks or days away from your arthroscopic rotator cuff repair, there are some previous precautions you should take to ensure both the procedure and the recovery go as smoothly as possible. As these are general instructions, make sure to check everything with your doctor. Every case is different. Avoid certain medications. Depending on your case, some medicines could make you prone to blood clots or heavier bleeding. Make sure to let your provider know beforehand if you are under any special treatment or taking vitamins. Arrange help. You won't be able to drive home after the procedure. If you live alone, it would be ideal to ask a friend or family member to accompany you for at least the first 24 hours after the surgery. Wear loose clothing. This will make the process of dressing up again after the procedure easier. Do not eat or drink anything from midnight before. Confirm your particular arrival time with your doctor. Shoulder arthroscopy does not normally present complications. Nevertheless, as with any surgery, there are some associated risks, such as tissue or nerve damage, infection, blood clots, stiffness, delayed healing, excessive swelling, failure of the repair to heal. Any of these complications can be addressed, but may take extra time to work through and recover. However, it is important to be very aware of your symptoms during the days following your operation. Make sure to call your doctor if you start experiencing fever, severe pain, numbness, or tingling, or if fluid seeps from the dressings. An arthroscopic rotator cuff repair procedure is a surgical procedure that can treat tears in the muscles and/or tendons. It implies low risks, and you will return home the same day of the procedure. It is important to know the specifics of your case and treatment, as they will determine the precautions you must take.